2020, China origin virus COVID-19 has scattered the regular lives of the world. The commerce and trade has faced tremendous difficulties globally. 2021, Indian entrepreneurship adopted firm and positive approach and have applied double force to overcome the situations. And very noticeable outcomes appear. India has made a textile export of around rupees 30,000 crore to the US. That too in just first 5 months of 2021, leaving behind China. India has emerged as the biggest exporter of textile to the US in first 5 months. The leading textile hub of India, city of Surat and state of Gujarat, is now witnessing encouraging export demand from Europe, USA, Australia and Southeast Asian countries. Indian textile market export approximately 24% to the USA market. The US and India are the top major contributors to the textile and clothing trade across the world. Considering the current scenario, there is an immense opportunity for Indian products in USA, and that is why now Textile Hub of vibrant Surat is planning to fly to USA along with entire India's textile industry. We are introducing Global Textile Trade Fair GTTF 2022 in USA, an initiative by Southern Gujarat Chamber of Commerce and Industry towards the growth of Indian textile industry. It will be organized in Atlanta city of Georgia state of United States of America in June 2022, where manufacturers of fabrics, fiber, yarn, apparels and ethnic wear, home textile, handloom and handicraft, and khadi segments will be participating as exhibitors, where textile importers, wholesalers, retailers, apparel brands, fashion designers, hoteliers of United States of America will be the visitors, including the Indian community living in the USA. We have planned 2 more tabletop buyer-seller meets at Dallas, Texas and Los Angeles, California, along with this exhibition. Our vision is to strengthen this platform year by year to increase Indian textile share in the American market.
The US, as of now, has kind of indicated that they are not looking for new trade agreements, but we look at working with them for more market access issues on both sides. And I think that would also be a big relief and a big opportunity opener for our export sector if the market access issues, which includes many of the things you talked about, non-tariff barriers, MRAs, mutual recognition agreements with them, higher quality standards or more internationally aligned quality standards. And textiles is one sector which can probably add the highest at the fastest rate, both to our economic activity, which is linked to industry, to our exports, which is linked to commerce, and which clearly is a growth sector for the country for the future.
We are hoping this platform will lead to the India-USA bilateral textile trade agreement between Government of India and Government of USA. And this ultimate outcome will put the Indian textile industry to the #1 position of the world.
भारत का टेक्सटाइल का जो टारगेट $100 बिलियन का निर्यात और $250 बिलियन का इकोनॉमिक वैल्यू ऑफ आउटपुट, यानी आज से लगभग दुगना आउटपुट और तिगना एक्सपोर्ट करने का जो लक्ष्य हम सबने मिलकर लिया है, उसको हम जरूर हासिल करेंगे और उसमें सूरत का और सदर्न गुजरात का बहुत बड़ा योगदान होगा, ये मेरा पक्का विश्वास।
Textile stakeholders and players of India and USA are joining this event. Global Textile Trade Fair 2022, USA. An initiative by Southern Gujarat Chamber of Commerce and Industry, conceptualized and organized by Octavia Exposium LLP, supported by Destination Yours and Devang Patel Entertainment Private Limited.